Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. You are watching the Coin Monitor. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading lower on Thursday after Binance, the largest cryptocurrency exchange, faced fraud charges from the US Department of Justice. Bitcoin hovered around $29,000 levels. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 1.8% at 38,345 points. Meanwhile, WorldCoin has taken decisions to share its iris scanning technology with third-party companies to help create their own digital ID systems. However, the WorldCoin Foundation also ensures that the company will comply with the data protection laws as well as help authorities in addressing privacy concerns. In an interesting development, HashKey, a Hong Kong-based digital asset service provider, has successfully acquired the license to broaden its customer base from professional investors to retail participants as well. Additionally, HashKey has partnered with Standard Chartered Bank to provide users with fiat currency deposit and withdrawal services. In other news, Binance Exchange has been faced with fraud charges from the US Department of Justice. The inquiry by the DOJ examines whether the exchange violated securities law by allowing US citizens to trade on the platform. Meanwhile, analysts have pointed out that the current scenario suggests too many influencing factors at play, which include corporate investments, regulatory advancements, macroeconomic shifts, and potential for increased accessibility through financial products like ETFs. Next year's Bitcoin halving is a milestone event and a potential catalyst for price movement. Staying updated on such news inflow can help traders to wait out the current period and not get obscured by the range trade, which is a precursor to more substantial market movements. According to data from DeFi Llama, the total value of logged assets in the DeFi sector has decreased by 8% over the past 3 days, dropping to $40.31 billion. However, the reasons for the sudden drop in DeFi TVL has been attributed to the recent curve pool hack, leading to further withdrawals in the markets, analysts said. In other news, Litecoin, the second oldest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin, has successfully completed the network's much-awaited halving event. However, after its completion, the token's price plunged by nearly 6%, reports highlighted. US stock futures dropped as traders contended with Fitch's recent downgrade of the United States long-term rating. Futures tied to the S&P 500 fell 0.3%, while Nasdaq 100 futures also dropped 0.4%. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures dipped 95 points or 0.3%. Bitcoin was trading at $29,080, down 1.3%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 1.5%, trading at $1,831. On my left, BNB was down by 2.5% to trade at $239. Next on the list, we have Solana Sol, which was down 4% and was trading at $22.6. Talking about Cardano's ADA token, it was down by 3.7% to trade at $0.29. Next on the list, Avalanche AVAX was trading at $12.5, lower by 2%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 2.6% to trade at $0.67. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 4.6% at $0.073, and Shiba Inu was trading down by 1%. Talking about Ripple's XRP token, it was trading at $0.66, down by 4.5%. Polkadot was also down by 2.6% to trade at $5.1. And now let's move to our analyst, Mr. Soumitra, for his views on overall cryptocurrency market.
Bitcoin for the past few weeks has been trading between the range of 29 and 30,000. After the 25 basis point hike made by the Federal Reserve, Bitcoin again has certain uncertainties to clear before it can go up anytime soon. Still, LTC halving being there in the next few days has certain bullish influences on altcoin.
Thank you so much, Mr. Soumitra, for your time. Well, that's all in the Coin Monitor. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such market-related updates and news, log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. With Web3.0 TV, stay connected with the world of blockchain. Stay up to date with infinite world of NFTs. Come explore and evolve with 3.0 TV in the Metaverse.
So many coins, so much volatility. 3.0 TV delivers the news that matters.
Tether, the world's largest stablecoin, reported a 5.7% increase in assets to $86.5 billion in Q2 2023, with operational profits rising 30% to over $1 billion. The company's strategic investment in US Treasury bills totaling $55.8 billion outperformed even Spain's holdings. Tether's operational profits rival those of BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager. Tether's Q2 Bitcoin reserve increased by $70 million, bringing its stack to $1.67 billion. Despite announcing a 15% Bitcoin investment, the company has only allocated 7% so far. Tether's excess reserves, totaling $3.3 billion at the end of Q2, demonstrate remarkable financial resilience, holding back a significant portion of profits above the 100% reserve required to back its issued tokens. This decision adds security and resilience to its stablecoin products. In July, 3.3 trillion Shiba Inu tokens worth over $28 million were withdrawn from centralized exchanges, according to crypto analyst Ali Martinez. The data, based on a chart from Sentiment, shows a significant drop in available supply, with 87 trillion tokens in circulation in June. The figure dropped to 83.39 trillion by the end of July. On July 19, 2 trillion SHIB tokens left the exchanges, marking a significant outflow. This occurred due to the sale of billions of Shiba Inu tokens by bankrupt crypto lender Voyager. SHIB developers have released the beta version of Shibarium Bridge, allowing users to move assets from the Ethereum network onto Shibarium. This layer 2 scaling solution reduces token supply and boosts the price. According to DeFi Llama data, the total value of locked assets in DeFi sector has decreased by 8% over the last 3 days, falling to $40.31 billion. DeFi project TVL was valued at $43.81 billion as of July 30, but experienced a significant drop after rogue players targeted multiple Curve pools on July 31st. Following the hack, cryptocurrency investors started withdrawing their funds, totaling over $3 billion using various methods as concerns about contagion arose. DeFi Llama data shows that two DeFi protocols, Curve Finance and Convex Finance, account for 2/3 of the drop in TVLs, with each losing over $1 billion in the last 3 days. Other protocols, Uniswap and Aave, also experienced losses. However, DeFi Llama data shows mild recoveries in the last 24 hours. The decline in TVLs can be attributed to lenders withdrawing liquidity from DeFi platforms due to industry uncertainty.